We made a giant Pop-Tart!
To make this giant Pop-Tart, you're gonna need
Pie crust.
We like to use Pillsbury pie crust for this, and it comes in a 2-pack.
Let's open it! It comes in this roll. Dash, do you want to start unrolling it?
Sure.
You want to gently unroll the pie crust, and you want to kind of just smooth it out like this.
Now, Dash, do you know what comes next?
The jam.
You're right. We're gonna add
Strawberry jam.
You can use any kind of jam you want. This is strawberry preserves.
It smells so yummy.
You want to grab a big spoonful and then just put it in the center first. This is great for little hands to help out at this stage.
They go out to the edges.
Kind of like a pizza.
Yeah, we are making a pizza dough.
This would be good with chocolate too.
That's right. We've also done a Nutella one, and that's so yummy.
Now that you've spread your jam on top, we're gonna add the second layer, and you have to gently peel. Do you want to help me?
Sure.
Okay, you grab this and let's not break it.
What you want to do then is gently lay the other half on top. Whip the egg lightly before you put it on. Now the fun part is brushing on your giant pie crust.
This egg wash is important if you want a golden crispy crust.
The final step is crimping the edges together. You'll need a fork for this. Just simply press down on the edges about 1/4 inch away.
Gently continue to press down until you get all the way across.
Let's pop this in the oven and see how it turns out.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Pop your giant Pop-Tart inside. See, the crust is nice and golden brown. Want to let this cool for about 15 minutes. Just trying to give you a sense of all the crispy layers that you see.
Wow, look at this giant Pop-Tart pie.
As you know, Pop-Tart wouldn't be the same without.
Icing on top.
You're gonna need powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla, some milk, tad of pink food coloring, that's optional.
Don't forget the sprinkles.
To make the icing, you'll need a little bit of powdered sugar. I usually start off with a heaping 1/2 cup.
It's like making snow.
Next, you're going to add just a little bit of milk, and I like to add it just a little bit at a time. It's because you don't want your icing to be too liquidy. And as you can tell, you might need just a little bit more right here. Just add it right in the middle. That's great. Keep whisking until you see it become liquidy, but still thick and spreadable. I'm using gel food coloring, which is really strong, so you don't want to add too much.
Look, it's turning pink. Wow.
Okay, we're almost done with our giant Pop-Tart. The last thing that we have to do is ice it.
So just take a little spoonful. Just take your spatula and slowly
Like this.
smooth it out.
Make sure to get it all the way to the edges. What do you think, Dash? How does this look to you?
It looks so yummy that I want to eat it right now.
It looks so good and so perfect, and look, it's setting already. We gotta do the sprinkles quickly before the icing sets.
Start sprinkling evenly all over your Pop-Tart. Quick, before it sets.
Ah. This is looking so good. I can't wait.
Now, the best way to cut into these pies is with a pizza slicer. You want to be careful with this because it has super sharp edges, so make sure that you supervise your kids when doing this.
I am so excited to cut into this. This is gonna look amazing. Get the kids together. They are not going to deny eating this. Honestly, the easiest way to show this off is to just pick it up and just show it at all angles. Look at this. The icing is nice and glistening. You've got a thin layer of strawberry preserves. Look at that. The crispy crust is so well done. I'm gonna turn it to the other side so you can see. Look at that golden crust. It's perfectly baked through.
Are you ready to eat this?
Yeah.
Okay, you've worked really hard. Here's your slice.
I can't wait.
Wait for me. Want to show it off?
Sure.
Okay.
A moment of
Wait, wait.
truth.
Mmm.
Mmm.
This is so amazing, guys. It's given the fact that it's only got a couple of ingredients. Just take refrigerated pie crust, add some jam to it, bake, and then add some easy icing, and you have yourself the perfect treat.
Yeah, if you have kids who want to bake, this is what you gotta make.
Katya.
Hey!